Don't wait for tomorrow, live for today. Keep chasing the sunshine and go out and play.
Hey guys, it's Brian Mayer with the Mayer Group at exp Realty. Welcome to 2015 Fittleworth Terrace in the coveted Beech Tree neighborhood. Check out this gourmet kitchen. It is absolutely beautiful. Open floor plan here. I want to tell you a couple things that I really like about this house. First of all, it's in the Beech Tree neighborhood, which has a very highly rated golf course, a pool, clubhouse, all sorts of neat features here. It's got an open floor plan, and I just love this huge island right here. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the tour. If you have any questions about the home or you'd like a private showing, please give me a call. I do think this house is aggressively priced and won't last very long on the market. So as you know, the market's very hot. Don't wait. Give me a call. This is Brian Mayer with exp Realty. Make it a fantastic day.